This is Jagged X's basic first aid kit. So this kit is a little bit less than our advanced first aid kit, but it comes with all the stuff, just a smaller amount of it. So I'll go through it real quick. If you haven't checked out our other video on our advanced first aid kit, go check that out. But this is our basic first aid kit. So still a bunch of bandages. This one has a bunch of the butterfly bandages here, as you can see, small and big. Has the big bandages for knees and elbows and scrapes and stuff like that. Small bandages, a couple different sizes of the small, typical style bandages or typical size bandages. And then it also has the antibacterial ointment. It has sting relief pads, antiseptic wipes, alcohol prep pads, rubber gloves, triage gauze, and you can build like a splint out of this or like a shoulder hanging, burn gel or burn cream, which is nice. Tweezers, this is good for like if you're in Arizona for cactus prongs and stuff like that. More gauze, and also a tourniquet with smaller gauze. So that's everything that comes small in the basic first aid kit. Click the link below, check out all of our first aid kit options like we've talked about in all of our videos. Hopefully you never have to use your first aid kit, but if you do, you wanna make sure you're prepared. You never know if you're gonna come across a hiker that needs help, a dirt biker, a mountain biker, another UTV, anybody that might need help. You wanna be as prepared as possible. This is nice and small. It can really go anywhere in your side-by-side. It has straps to strap around your roll cage or seat belts or anywhere. It's nice and small, so it goes anywhere. Inexpensive. Click the link below to check out all of our first aid kits.